इसकी क्या गारंटी है? ये फ्रेज हम हर जगह यूज करते हैं, सब्जी मंडी में, गैजेट शॉप में या कहीं और। Anything we buy, whether it's a service or a product, we like to have the assurance that the thing we are investing our time, money and energy into is going to be worth it. Well, with term insurance, it is no different. I want to know that if I invest in term insurance, my family can claim it if something unfortunate happens to me. But how do we go about that? Hi, my name is Anish and today we will talk about claim settlement ratio CSR or claims paid ratio CPR. Pretty much the same. But before I begin, hit the subscribe button to learn about finance in quick, simple and actionable ways. Claims paid ratio. So, what is claims settlement ratio or claims paid ratio? Claims paid ratio is a simple math that calculates the number of claims paid against the number of claims filed. Let me simplify. Assume that an insurer gets 100 claims, out of which they pay 90 claims and deny 10 claims. So, the claims paid ratio would be 90%, which means 90% of the claims were paid off by the insurer. Important things to know about claims paid ratio. अभी आपके मन में कई सारे सवाल होंगे। कौन क्लेम्स पेड रेशियो कैलकुलेट करता है? ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कहाँ मिल सकती है? और ये क्लेम्स पेड रेशियो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? अरे सब्र करो, मैं सब बताता हूँ। Before I get to how claims paid ratio is beneficial for you, you must know a few important things about it. 1. The claims paid ratio for all insurers is calculated on an yearly basis. Here, the year refers to the financial calendar, which is from April 1st to March 31st. For example, April 1st, 2022 to March 31st, 2023 becomes financial year 22-23. 2. The claims paid ratio is always calculated in percentages as it is easy to understand how often the insurer pays off the claims it gets. 3. Every year, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India (IRDAI) publishes the claims paid ratio for all insurers across the country in the annual report. तो आप इनकी वेबसाइट पर जाकर सब इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज की क्लेम्स पेड रेशियो परसेंटेजेस देख सकते हो. 4. Max Life Insurance has been at the center of trust when it comes to claims paid ratio. This year, Max Life Insurance achieved a claims paid ratio of 99.51%. Isn't that amazing? Max Life का ये नंबर है इंडिया के भरोसे का नंबर. How to calculate claims paid ratio? Claims paid ratio calculate करना काफी आसान है. Claims paid ratio by number of claims. In this, you look at the number of claims the insurer received and the number of claims it paid. The formula is simple. Divide the number of claims paid by the number of claims received and multiply the resultant number by 100. Why is claims paid ratio important? ये सब तो ठीक है, पर मैं आपको ये सब क्यों बता रहा हूँ? क्या करोगे ये सब जान के? Well, there are 5 reasons why claims paid ratio is important. 1. By seeing the number of claims and the value an insurer pays off, it becomes easier for you to choose the insurance company to go with. 2. Claims paid ratio indicates how often company pay off the claims they receive. याद है, मैं assurance की बात कर रहा था. Claims paid ratio is one factor that can give you assurance that if something unfortunate happens to you, your family will get their due payment if they make a claim. 3. When a family loses its breadwinner, the family faces emotional and financial instability. Claims can take care of the financial part and help the family stand on its feet again. So it is important to know that your family will be protected. 4. Besides this, the claims paid ratio keeps you more at peace and helps you sleep at night because your family will be cared for. Stop. Let me guess what your next question is going to be. How to make claims? Depending on the duration from the policy issuance to the claim event, the claim amount and the cause of death, the claims are evaluated by the insurance companies. The total time allowed by IRDAI for an early claim is 120 days. Claims which does not require a field verification are settled within 30 days from the receipt of last mandatory document. There are 3 simple steps when it comes to making claims. Step 1. In case of the unfortunate and sad demise of the life assured, the nominee should be making a claim. This can be done through the nearest branch of the insurance office or the company website. Step 2. Document submission. In the second step, all relevant documents must be submitted to the insurance company for them to verify, vet, and determine the outcome of the claim. But what kind of documents are these? Depending on the type of insurance, the documents also differ. For instance, if the assured has passed away, you'll need to submit the following documents: original policy documents, original or attested copy of death certificate issued by the local municipal authority, death claim application form, Form A, NEFT mandate form attested by bank authorities along with cancelled check or bank account passbook, nominee's photo identity proof including a copy of their passport, PAN card, voter identity card, Aadhaar card, etc. Additional documents required on the basis of the cause of death. Medical or natural death requires the following documents: attending physician statement, Form C, medical records like admission notes, discharge or death summary, test reports, etc. For accidental or unnatural death, you will require the following additional documents: copy of the first information report, FIR, or Panchanama or police complaint, copy of post-mortem report, PMR or autopsy, and vice versa, copy of the final investigation report, FPIR or charge sheet. Ensure that you submit all the documents carefully and that they cover all the information the insurer will need. These are the documents required for life insurance claims. However, the documents vary for other insurances and also on the insurance company you are purchasing the policy from. Now that you know how to make a claim, here are the things you must avoid. Insurance is based on the principle of utmost good faith. Don't hide any kind of information while purchasing a policy, as the insurer will deny the claim if they discover any hidden information which was material to the policy issuance. Do not give misinformation while purchasing a policy. This can be another reason for insurance companies to deny the claims. ये दोनों काफी important points है because इससे आपके claims को settle होने में दिक्कत आ सकती है. तो हमेशा अपने documents safe रखें और उन documents आपकी जितनी भी information सभी सही तरीके से दे. Evaluation and settlement. डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने के बाद इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन और डॉक्यूमेंट्स को ध्यान से चेक करेंगे. एक बार आपका एप्लीकेशन इवैल्यूएट हो जाता है, आपका क्लेम भी सेटल हो जाएगा. Max Life Instaclaim. When it comes to Max Life, there are several ways to make your claims. One of the easiest ways to do it is Instaclaim. To avail Instaclaim, you must satisfy the following conditions. Claim account on all eligible policies is up to rupees 50 lakh. Claims are for policies that have completed 3 continuous years. All mandatory documents have been submitted before 3 PM on a working day. The claim does not warrant any field verification. इससे आप आसानी से लाइफ इंश्योरेंस क्लेम एक ही दिन में सेटल कर सकते हैं. How? All you need to do is intimate the company and provide the necessary documents, and if no field inspection is required, your claim will be settled within a day. If the claim requires field inspection, Max Life will take a maximum of 5 days to settle the claim. If they don't, they will pay an interest on a daily basis after the 5-day period. We hope that you never see a day where you are required to file for an insurance claim, but if at all you do, we are there to help you in your hour of need. भगवान ना करे कि ये दिन आए, but ऐसी मुश्किल की घड़ी में Max Life आपकी फैमिली के साथ होगा. आपका एंड आपकी फैमिली नॉमिनी का भरोसा रखना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. In the year 2022-23, Max Life's claim paid ratio increased to 99.51%. ये है बढ़ते भरोसे का बढ़ता नंबर. And that was the video, guys. If you want to know more about claims paid ratio, we have listed all our sources of information in the description below. Subscribe to the channel to know more about finance in a simple, accurate and actionable way. Until next time, this is Anish Nandalike signing off. Invest smartly.